Hello everyone, my name is Ica Julian Fernanda from class 11 LPKC4. Analytical exposition called equipment is nursing. A called equipment is an important infection prevention practice in nursing to help reduce the spread of respiratory diseases in healthcare setting. First, cold etiquette help prevent the spread of infectious diseases when a person covers the mouth and nose while going on sneezing. The transmission of droplets containing microorganisms can be reduced. This is very important in hospital because many patients have a weak immune system and are easily infected. Second, code etiquette protects both patients and healthcare workers. Nurses are in close contact with patients every day, so they have a high risk of exposure of infection. Simple actions such as using a tissue, working off masks, or covering the mouth with the elbow can reduce this ring significantly. Third, co-education super infection control programs in hospital. It is part of standard production in nursing practice. When properly applied, it help reduce hospital acquired infection and creates a safer healthcare environment. In conclusion, code equal a simple but very important practice in nursing. It plays a major role in preventing parents and healthcare workers, and supporting everything infection control and health facilities. Thank you.